Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate some types of integrals by using integration by parts formula. The integration by parts formula is expressed in the following way. We have the sign of the integral. After that we have function u, then the sign of the differential, and then another function called v, for example. This is equal to u multiplied by v minus integral v, the sign of the differential, and then u. Okay. Let's start with this example. We have two functions here. The first one is x, and the second one is the exponential function. We have to determine which one of these two functions to be placed here after the sign of the differential. These functions here have a priority to be placed after the sign of the differential, and for that reason we choose this function to be placed here after the sign of the differential. In order this function to be placed here after the sign of the differential, we have to calculate this integral. But we know this integral from the table of basic integrals. This integral is equal to exponential function plus constant. This is equal to integral x, sign of the differential, and the exponential function. Okay, now we have function u, function v. This looks like this one. We can apply the formula on the next step. We have u multiplied by v, in our case x multiplied by exponential function, minus integral of v, in our case exponential function, the sign of the differential, and then u, in our case x. And the solution is x multiplied by exponential function minus exponential function plus constant. Okay. Let's continue with the next example, which is this one. We have two functions as well, as we already know. this function is with priority to be placed after the sign of the differential. We have to calculate the integral of sinus function, which is well known from the basic table of integrals, which is minus cosinus function plus constant. Okay. We have x, the sign of the differential, cosinus function, and minus in front of the sign of the integral from here. Okay. And now we apply this formula. We have minus, then we open brackets, and we have x multiplied by cosinus function minus integral of cosinus function, sign of the differential, then x, then close the brackets, and this is equal to minus x multiplied by cosinus function minus plus this integral, which is from the table of basic integrals. This is equal to minus x multiplied by cosinus function plus sinus function plus constant. Okay. And this is the last example that I'll show you in this video. We have two functions, x and cosinus function. This function has a priority to be placed here after the sign of the differential. And this integral have to be calculated. This is the basic table integral, which is equal to sinus function plus constant. And we have this. We apply the formula. We know this integral, which is minus cosinus function plus constant. And the solution of this integral is x multiplied by sinus function plus cosinus function plus constant. Thank you for watching.